What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm here in Five Below and they're gonna be closing soon, so I gotta cram a bunch of content into this video for you guys. But I'm seeing sandals back here for $5. These were not out last year. We have blue. This variety might have been. This variety is definitely new. This one is brand new. Feels really sturdy, and I don't think we're gonna find water shoes anywhere else as cheap as these. These are just gonna be $5. We have women's sizes and we have men's sizes. This style right here in white, we have black, and we have gray. And then we have the style that's been out for years and years, this style here with the adjustable Velcro. We have pink, we have green, we have black. These cost almost $10 at Walmart. We have the navy blue, gray in this variety, and a whole bunch of black ones up there. I'm thinking about getting a bunch because even though we don't go to the river very often, you have to have these to walk on rocks. Like, you just have to. And then back here, you guys, we have tons of clearance. That means most of these shoes are just $2.50. That also means half price phone cases, half price power banks, $2.50 for a power bank. That is such a great deal. We also have, what else? What else do we have over here, you guys? We have puzzles, we have water bottles, we have kits, a Nickelodeon slime slow riser, scented pre-made slime, smells like real maple syrup and butter, $2.50. Super cute. We have erasers, headphones, books, we have nail polish, party items up here. So many items, you guys. This would be just 75 cents. We have a pretty cake topper. Don't forget that they have so many cute party items here in Five Below. Between here and Dollar Tree, I think we could get everything that we would ever want. Blaze wireless light up earbuds. So cute. Look at this, the strawberry lip balm. I want to see what other sort of cute things we have. The tiny toy surprises. We have world's smallest. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have totally tiny. Those are so cute. I just saw these in Dollar Tree for $1. The kawaii squishy. We have durables, hair durables, dual tip markers. So pretty. That is so pretty. Slime is definitely making a comeback. Intentions and reflections. Ooh, that's so cute. A daily journal. Goals for the day. How can I make the day enjoyable? Today I'm looking forward to. What can I do to be my best self today? Ooh, and then we have another one. Look at this one. These are really nice. Oh, and then we have gratitude journals. Gratitude journals. Look at these. Those were also bullet journals, the one we saw over there that said dots. This one, that's a bullet journal. This is so pretty, you guys. Wow. And this one also, so pretty. We have blueberry pie filling. These are $5. We have cotton candy. Ooh, look at these. These are so pretty. I love the packaging. Neon butter, slimy glue. Let's go to the front of the store. Ooh, I just passed some high chews. High chews are so good. Let me know in the comments if you love high chews. They are so amazing. Tons of dog toys, $3 to $5. I miss having a dog. A disco ball for dogs. The famous $5 hammocks. The glider planes. The light up containers. These are also at Dollar Tree. I'm actually not sure if these are light up. No, these ones actually don't light up. But the ones at Dollar Tree do light up. Beach towels for $5. All the floaties, hot dogs, butterflies, lobsters. We have beautiful kickballs here, bouncy balls, whatever you want to call them. The novelty swim goggles, 2 for $5. This super cute monster feet. That would be so cute for the beach. Ooh, these are cute. These are $2.25 each. Look at them just glistening in the sun. So cute. Over here we have ladder ball, play parachute, rocket launcher. That play parachute might make a nice background. Oh my gosh, look at the mermaid. The Splash and Go mermaid. Oh my gosh, you guys, she's so pretty and she winds up. Isn't she cute? Ooh, the big shark. He's $5. He glides up to 30 feet underwater. I love those. I've seen those before, some smaller ones, and they're really, really good. If those are anything like that, then I'm excited about those. The torpedo beast. More mermaids. I got a bunch of these at Dollar Tree earlier in the year. They're $2.25 here. This is so cute, you guys. Look at that. Those are so cute. They're calling them rattan lanterns. Those are so cute for decoration only. That is so, so cute. And then I guess you just put the little fairy lights inside. Wow. Okay. I'm just having so much fun in here. The little insulated bags. They're calling them little cooler totes, and it has the zip up. Ooh, keep your food cool, fresh, or warm. These are huge, you guys. This is such a nice deal for $5. We have the little citronella candles for $5. Also in this print, the little LED paper lantern. So, so cute. Let's go look at the candy really quick, you guys. And then I gotta grab some of those water shoes and get out of here because they're about to close. The 5 for $5 Haribos, 5 for $5 Trolleys, gummy donut, the $3 gummy noodles, gummy burger. I think slime lickers have been out of stock for like months and months and months. Cotton candy pop rocks. I'm still not seeing the slime lickers. Thank you so, so much for joining me here in Five Below. I love coming here. I love dollar stores, Dollar Tree, Five Below, and I just haven't been making it in here lately. So I do apologize. I know you guys have been missing it. I have really been missing it too. You guys definitely check out my Five Below playlist if you are in the mood to binge watch some Five Below videos. A lot of these things that are here, they're not like all new. Like they just keep adding more and more and more. So if you want to binge watch and see like a lot of what's in here, you will find a lot of useful information in the playlist. Anyways, you guys, thank you so, so much for watching. Love you lots. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.